What if we told you that both Demi Moore's over $3 million Beverly Hills mansion and her secluded Idaho retreat are hiding shocking secrets behind their walls? Strange, unexpected features that set them apart from even the most extravagant celebrity homes. From Hollywood luxury to remote escapes, these properties will hold mysteries you won't believe. Let's dive in. Now, before Demi Moore made it her own, her Beverly Hills mansion had a storied past. Originally built in the 1950s, the house was designed with a unique blend of steel and natural materials like mahogany and teak, creating a harmonious connection with its canyon hillside setting. In 2003, Moore and then-husband Ashton Kutcher purchased the property, which had been meticulously maintained by its previous owner. As mentioned earlier, the mansion holds some secrets, which we'll reveal in a minute. Now, Demi Moore's $3.5 million Beverly Hills mansion, it wasn't just a purchase, it was a statement. Nestled in the lush hills, this home boasts over 4,500 square feet of living space, but it was the breathtaking views of sycamore and oak trees that sold Demi on the property. She reportedly wanted a sanctuary, a treehouse for adults, as one insider joked, where Hollywood's noise couldn't follow. Demi brought her top architects Rod Radziner and Leo Marmol, along with designer Brad Dunning, to reimagine the space. The result? It was a serene oasis with a glass and steel entry and a pool that feels like it flows into the trees. And here's the first secret. Demi Moore stopped construction when she realized her dream home would be nature's nightmare. She refused to let steel and stone conquer the ancient trees, so Demi Moore chose to weave her home through nature's embrace rather than carve through its heart, standing firm against the march of destruction, thus making the mansion a millionaire's version of hugging nature. Visionary much? Absolutely, but that isn't the only secret the house is hiding. There's more. Demi Moore's Beverly Hills mansion is the kind of home that whispers, "I'm rich, but I also care about trees." Stepping into the glass and steel entryway feels like entering a modern art exhibit, only instead of sculptures, you're greeted by views of giant sycamore and oak. Now, it's sleek, shiny, and it's the kind of entrance that practically begs for a red carpet. The living room? Oh, just a casual 2 stories tall with floor-to-ceiling windows that are so massive you'd think that the outside was trying to move in. This is where Demi hosts her guests, or as her friends probably call it, Hollywood's most glamorous treehouse. Imagine sipping wine while staring out at a forest, all while sitting on furniture that you're too afraid to spill on. Oh, the irony. And then there's the library, which is less study hall and more cozy billionaire den. Wooden shelves line the walls, creating the perfect backdrop for a sultry Instagram post. It's rumored that Demi spends hours in here, surrounded by books and that unshakable feeling of success. Talking about rumors, here's another secret: the koi pond. Yes, this home comes with its own zen zone, but here's the kicker. Legend has it that Demi handpicked every koi fish, making sure that they match the home's color palette. Because when you're Demi Moore, even your fish have to be on brand. And the pool? Oh, honey, it's not just a pool, it's a secluded slice of paradise surrounded by towering trees. So whether she's hosting a secret celebrity pool party or just doing cannonballs for fun, and maybe that's just me, this backyard is just the ultimate retreat. It's even nicknamed the Fortress of Solitude, and for good reason. No paparazzi are going to catch her here. The $3.5 million mansion is a shining example of mid-century architecture, blending classic design with modern functionality. With its sprawling grounds and private setting, it's become one of the most iconic properties in Beverly Hills. It's clear that Moore wasn't just buying a home, she was buying a piece of architectural history, complete with a rich design legacy. Now, after embracing the Hollywood glamour of her Beverly Hills mansion, Demi Moore went for something a bit more down-to-earth, literally, by purchasing a sprawling estate in Idaho. The property, once owned by a timber baron who probably chopped more trees than he knew what to do with, offers breathtaking mountain views and all that rustic charm that you'd expect from a place where elk are the neighbors. Now, built with plenty of wood, it's the perfect escape for Moore to trade city lights for bright, starry skies and maybe even trade in her designer heels for some sturdy boots. But it also holds some secrets, and here's one of them. Moore's home is near the Sawtooth Wilderness, a stunning 756,000-acre area known for pristine beauty, rugged peaks, and over 40 lakes. If you're into hiking or fishing, this is a dream come true. Demi Moore made the leap to Idaho in 2015, purchasing the mansion for a cool $3 million. So why Idaho? Well, after years of living in the spotlight, Moore was looking for an escape, a place to recharge and connect with nature, away from the paparazzi and Hollywood hustle. The Idaho property, with its breathtaking views and serene atmosphere, was the perfect retreat. It gave her the space to escape, indulge in her love for outdoor activities, and do what many of us would do if we had the means: just enjoy some peace and quiet. But Moore wasn't just looking for a home to disappear into. She had big plans for the place. The mansion itself was already beautiful, but she envisioned creating more of a personal sanctuary. Renovations were in order, and she collaborated with designers to transform the space, maintaining that rustic charm while incorporating modern touches that suited her style. The goal was to create a balance between comfort, nature, and an interior that felt like a true home for herself and her family. So she didn't just buy a house, she was creating her own Idaho oasis. When Demi Moore set her sights on her Idaho mansion, she envisioned a sanctuary that would reflect both the rugged beauty of the land and the calm serenity that she sought. And she got it. Which brings us to another secret, an expansive garden that resembles a private nature reserve, complete with a river and a bridge, offering a serene and secluded environment. Imagine this, a spacious 8,500 square foot mountain retreat that's as much of a work of art as it is a home. Surrounded by rolling hills and dense woods, the property offers a sense of solitude that only the Idaho wilderness can provide. It's the kind of house that whispers, "Leave your phone at the door," and truly embraces nature. The exterior is a visual love letter to its surroundings. Plenty of stone, wood, and large windows that allow the landscape to come right inside. Think of it as an architectural hug from the mountains. The warm, earthy tones blend seamlessly with the pine trees and alpine peaks, while the house itself seems to grow out of the land, not just sit on it. In fact, the structure is so in tune with the environment that even the most casual glance out the window feels like stepping into a landscape painting. Inside, Moore went all in on creating a cozy and elegant vibe. There are soaring ceilings and massive windows that flood the space with light and offer panoramic views of the surrounding wilderness. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of a moose or two strolling by. The open concept layout lets you move from room to room with ease, with the natural elements of stone, wood, and leather all playing a starring role. The living area, centered around a grand stone fireplace, feels like the kind of place where you could sip hot cocoa and engage in deep, soul-searching conversations, or maybe just watch Netflix in a blissful state of relaxation. And the kitchen? Oh, it's a chef's dream, but also a place where you could probably throw an impromptu dinner party for 12 while still managing to bake some rustic bread. It's fitted with top-of-the-line appliances and complemented by rich wood cabinetry that gives it a warm, inviting feel. It's not just functional, it's where gourmet meals come to life while also maintaining that earthy, I'm in the wilderness aesthetic. This space is perfect for long chats over a glass of wine, or two, surrounded by the scents of pine and freshly cooked dinner. Now let's move on to the bedroom. Moore's vision for comfort and tranquility is unmistakable. Every room has a touch of pastoral luxury. Picture soft linens, wood beams overhead, and a bed so comfortable you might forget that you ever had to leave. There's no better place to rest after a day of hiking, skiing, or simply breathing in the mountain air. And when you wake up, the first thing you'll see is that stunning view, reminding you that you're living in your very own slice of paradise. The master suite is a special retreat in itself, with an expansive walk-in closet that might even make the most seasoned fashionistas a bit jealous. And don't even get us started on the master bath, another breathtaking secret. The wall-to-wall brown carpeting in the bathroom, which is a design choice inspired by her ex-husband, Bruce Willis. Moore once explained that Bruce Willis's idea was to keep the space warm during Idaho's cold winters. Imagine a soaking tub placed right next to a window that allows you to take in those spectacular mountain views while you relax in a bubble bath. The space is all about balance, a luxurious retreat, but still in harmony with the natural world. Outside Moore's Idaho mansion, it doesn't disappoint. There's a large deck, perfect for outdoor dining, with a fire pit to warm up on cool evenings. The property also boasts walking trails, which allow Moore to explore the vast landscapes right from her backyard. Surrounded by trees, wildflowers, and the crisp mountain air, it's the ultimate place to rejuvenate or just find a peaceful moment of reflection. The area is known for wildlife, including over 200 species of birds, so nature lovers can keep busy spotting feathered friends. In the end, this Idaho mansion is everything you'd expect from Demi Moore, an elegant yet laid-back space that marries nature with luxury. It's not just a home, it's a lifestyle, and a stunning one at that. Demi Moore's homes often are more than a lavish retreat, they're an enigmatic sanctuary that's brimming with secrets. Her Beverly Hills mansion stands as a fortress of opulence, while her Idaho escape merges with nature's embrace. From eccentric design choices to breathtaking landscapes, these properties reveal a star's desire for both grandeur and seclusion. And with that, today we draw the curtains on today's episode. If you enjoyed it though, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more entertaining videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on our next episode.